You've mapped out your business's perfect workflow on a whiteboard, but turning that into a live, custom software system you actually control, well, that actually means endless coding, months of dev time, and a fortune, right? What if I told you you could transform that exact process into a fully functional, custom app with granular control and real-time reporting in just 30 minutes, completely code-free? In this video, I'm revealing exactly how ops-minded leaders like you are using a no-code tool to make that a reality, making it the most powerful way to bring your processes to life. To begin, we have to look at where are our processes and what's the format. Are we drawing out our process in something like Miro or Lucidchart? Are we using ChatGPT where we're breaking down our process as a business and we want to bring it into a platform? Whatever it is, let me know in the comment section down below what you prefer. What I would probably do is I would use either something like Miro or Lucidchart, take a picture of it, and then ask ChatGPT to describe the workflow and the process. Or for me, better yet, I'm going to show you an example using ChatGPT that will take a few minutes. So if I'm trying to think about our workflow, how we process inventory with our e-commerce business, I can just ask Chat really quickly, I want to create a workflow for this, and this is the output that it's going to have. This gives me the breakdown of the format that I can use. I can tweak it whatever I'd like. But here's the special part. It allows you to pick what flow or what format the workflow will be in. So it has this, and then I said, hey, I want it in Lucidchart. So it gave me a couple breakdowns right here. But then I was thinking, hey, I want it as a CSV. I can decide on whatever format that I want, and we did it a couple different ways. We did it with XML. The list goes on. But the point is, once you get that format, now we can easily import it into a platform that will allow us to build out an application. And in this case, we're going to be using Knack. This is a platform where you can have all of your database, your front end, your back end, all in one place and be able to scale using automation. So that's why we're going to be using Knack. It's the most affordable, and it is the best platform to scale with using one platform. So to get started, there's going to be a link down below. And if you want more information, we have tons of videos about Knack on our platform, but let's take a look at this. So we are using this. We have taken the CSV here. I'm going to log in, and now we can do a couple things. We can start and create the application that we want using a template, or we can create with AI. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to describe the application that I want. Now, as I walked through this, I needed a way to describe my e-commerce. Basically, I want to track my packages in e-commerce. So I asked ChatGPT, I said, I'm adding this into a platform called Knack. How would I describe the type of app that I need to handle tracking orders in my e-commerce business? It gives me the purpose right here. I'm going to add this into Knack right here to describe what I want to build. And here I think I want it to be more of an operations dashboard as well, so I can get clarity of what's happening with my dashboard, with my orders and everything. So I'm going to say create. Now right here you see what it has. I'm a general manager. I need a dashboard to assign tracking things. I can add that. I can tweak it. I can do a bunch of things here. Or again, I can just copy and paste what I have from ChatGPT. Right. So once I have that, it's going to be thinking about its life for a moment, and it's going to start building out the application based on what I want. Now, here's what the special part about using this AI infused feature into Knack. I can do a lot of the heavy lifting where it structures and creates the right pages or the right sections that a user needs to interact with, the right kind of permissions based on what I'm trying to do for my business. Oh, I love it. I love the confetti. So here it has already created tables, so how to save my information, different pages that I might need, and also user roles, all ready based on my needs right here. Here we have a dashboard page, which I like. We have departments. Okay, I could have that. Employees, projects, tasks, meetings, reports. Now what I could do is, again, I don't have to use all these pages, and I can add more. So I could have a page where it's showing all of my orders if I want to order them or all those things. But here's what the special part is. It's already created my projects, tasks right here. So it's created the structure of my database. And if I want to create or bring in the process, I can go here and add a table, and I can now bring in a CSV. So I have my CSV right here that I just created, and I put it in chat. And now, look at this. I have the number of steps that I have, the step name, the descriptions, the type. I can bring all of this in already to my application. I don't want to have the numbers right here. I think I just want this. Description, step name, type. I'm going to leave fields blank for records with errors. I'm going to import it. And this will be the order fulfillment process. And not to get too much into the weeds of this, but if I want to have a relational database, so if I want to connect certain tables and interact together, I can do that with Knack as well. So with the different orders that I have, I can also connect it to the order fulfillment process, this mapping that I have. Simply put, I can associate the data in different ways that I want. I can do that with Knack. And I now have already created another table based on what my process has been that I've already created, and I imported it in to Knack in just a few seconds. That's the power of Knack. It's already done the heavy lifting of structuring the pages and the themes and also the permissions of what I want for employees, the administrators, all of those things. And I can easily add my other data into this system as well. In the comment section down below, let me know. Do you already have a business workflow that you've done in Miro, Lucidchart, or maybe you're building it from scratch and you want to import it in? Do you want to see, are you doing something with ChatGPT? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you want to see more examples or an in-depth version of this or in-depth walkthrough of adding your own personal workflow into Knack, and there's an exact use case, either if you're in a very specific industry or use case, let us know in the comments section down below. If you like these videos, make sure that you like and subscribe. We do this every single week. And if you want to see more videos about Knack or comparison Knack versus Airtable or others, let me know in the comments section down below.